Meng Wanzhou is scheduled to appear in court March 6th. That's when the Canadian authorities will begin deciding whether Meng, the daughter of Huawei's founder, will be sent to the U.S. for trial. The process could take months or even years. China's embassy in Canada released a statement blasting the decision. It reads in part, "This is not a merely judicial case, but a political persecution against a Chinese high-tech enterprise."
What are you doing?
Meng was arrested in Vancouver in December, charged in the U.S. with fraud over allegations she lied to banks about Huawei-related companies selling U.S. computer components to Iran, violating U.S. sanctions. Reuters reports Huawei will be arraigned on those charges March 14th in Brooklyn, New York. The company will enter a plea at that time. Huawei has denied wrongdoing, and China is calling for Meng's release.
Justice will prevail in the end. Now, in fact, not only Chinese and Canadian citizens, the whole world is extremely interested to hear how the Canadian government answers this question.
President Trump has said he could intervene in the Meng case if it helps U.S. relations with China, raising concerns that she has been charged for political reasons. In a separate U.S. case, Huawei pleaded not guilty to charges related to alleged theft of trade secrets from T-Mobile. A criminal trial is set to begin next year. These legal cases are playing out as the U.S., Australia, and New Zealand have banned government agencies from using Huawei equipment, alleging its hardware poses a security threat.
Our task has been to share with the world the risks associated with the technology.
No hard evidence has been released to back those claims, and Huawei denies it hands over data to the Chinese government. And Huawei is pushing back, taking out full-page ads in the New York Times, Wall Street Journal, and other U.S. papers. It reads in part, "I am writing to you in the hopes that we can come to understand each other better. In recent years, the U.S. government has developed some misunderstandings about us. We would like to draw your attention to the facts." The company says it operates successfully in more than 170 countries, often providing service in regions where Western companies can't or won't operate. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Washington.